isa saan yung merong major kayong struggle para linawin natin ang todong-todo. Beke, ano bang struggle mo dyan sa hinaharap mo?
All of it.
Okay.
I need practice.
Wala na, okay na tayo.
Yeah, we'll pick it up.
Okay, we will pick it up. As I said, we are all grown-up women, we are very smart, so we can do it. I am confident. Okay, here we go, baby. Ikaw lang ang confident. I'm confident for everybody. Now, positive vibes. Ay! Are you okay?
Ayaw! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk it up. 1, 2, 5, 6, and then walk it out. Hawakan yung mga kabit nyo. Ay, nakabit yung pala yan. O, yung kabit nyo rin. Hawakan nyo, yung kabila. Ibang kabit, ang daming kabit eh. Pilipino. Balik kayo sa ibang kabit naman. Okay. Paikutin nyo yung kabit nyo. Bukalpan mo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paypayin mo ako.